I was not meant to talk long. I was only meant to thank you for making me your party leader. But I want to inform you that as we continue to negotiate in this broad-based arrangement, all of you know that we came through the window in this broad-based government. And we were left there by my brother Raila Amolo Odinga. He is the one who left us there. And we are going to continue to be there up to 2027. But before then, we are starting negotiations to prepare ourselves, because elections is 2027, which is next year. We cannot just sit back and wait for 2027 and then we start moving and negotiating. We have to do it as an organized party and a disciplined party. We have to start those negotiations early, and because of the authority you have given us, we are now going to move fast and see if we can agree with order, and we are going to put our principles. One of them was stated by UNED, that where ODM has MCAs, where ODM has MPs, where ODM has women reps, where ODM has senators and governors, that is non-negotiable. That is ODM area. We start from there. We start from there. But that is just one of them. That is just one small one. We are going to negotiate, and we are going to form a technical team to start the negotiations. And we are not going to be, like other people are saying, that